Google is getting ready to unveil its next generation of flagship smartphones, and although the official launch is still a few months away, leaks have already painted a clear picture of what the upcoming Pixel 11 lineup could bring. The new series is expected to include 4 different models, and while massive design changes may not be on the way, Google seems ready to focus heavily on smarter AI features, better cameras, and improved performance. The Pixel lineup has grown significantly over the last few years. What once started as a simple smartphone series has now become one of the biggest competitors in the premium Android market. And with the Pixel 11 family, Google appears determined to continue that momentum. According to the latest reports, the Pixel 11 series will consist of 4 devices: the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the premium Pixel 11 Pro Fold. This means Google will once again offer something for almost every type of smartphone user, whether someone prefers a compact flagship, a large-screen powerhouse, or a foldable device. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Pixel 11 lineup is the launch date. Over the past few years, Google changed its release schedule. Earlier Pixel phones usually arrived in October, but the company shifted to August launches for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 series. Because of that, industry insiders expect Google to officially unveil the Pixel 11 series sometime in August 2026. While the exact date remains unknown, an August launch currently looks very likely. Another major topic is pricing. Smartphone prices across the industry have been increasing, mainly due to rising component costs. Memory and RAM prices have gone up significantly, making it more expensive for manufacturers to build premium devices. This has already sparked concerns among Pixel fans. There is a possibility that Google could increase prices for the Pixel 11 lineup. So far, the company has not confirmed any price changes, but if Google manages to keep pricing similar to last year, the expected starting prices could look something like this. The standard Pixel 11 may start at around $799. The Pixel 11 Pro could launch at approximately $999, while the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL may cost around $1,199. As for the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, it is expected to remain Google's most expensive smartphone with a price tag close to $1,799. However, these prices are far from guaranteed. With rising production costs affecting the entire industry, Google may be forced to make certain compromises or increase prices before launch. Moving on to performance, all 4 Pixel 11 models are expected to feature Google's next-generation Tensor G6 processor. The Tensor chips have always focused heavily on artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the Tensor G6 is expected to continue that strategy. Instead of chasing benchmark records, Google is likely to prioritize AI capabilities, smarter voice processing, better image enhancement, and more advanced on-device features powered by Gemini AI. These AI improvements could become one of the biggest selling points of the entire Pixel 11 series. Display technology is also expected to receive some refinements. The regular Pixel 11 could feature a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and brightness levels reaching up to 3100 nits. The Pixel 11 Pro is rumored to keep a 6.3-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED panel, while the Pro XL may offer a larger 6.8-inch display. Both Pro models are expected to support brightness levels up to 3600 nits, making outdoor visibility even better. Meanwhile, the Pixel 11 Pro Fold could feature an impressive 8-inch inner display alongside a 6.4-inch external screen. Both displays are expected to support a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a premium and smooth user experience. Camera performance has always been one of Google's strongest areas, and the Pixel 11 series may continue that tradition. The standard Pixel 11 is rumored to feature a 50-megapixel main sensor, paired with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom. A 10.5-megapixel front camera is also expected. The Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL could take things further by including a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Selfie lovers may also appreciate the rumored 42-megapixel front camera. As for the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, leaks suggest a triple rear camera setup led by a 50-megapixel main sensor, accompanied by ultra-wide and telephoto cameras, along with separate front and inner selfie cameras. Storage options are also expected to vary depending on the model. The standard Pixel 11 may start with 128GB and 256GB configurations, while the Pro models and Fold version could offer storage options all the way up to 1TB. Battery capacities are expected to remain fairly similar to previous generations, with the Pixel 11 Pro XL potentially housing the largest battery at around 5,000 watts. On the software side, the entire lineup is expected to ship with Android 17 right out of the box. Combined with Google's AI-powered Gemini features, users can expect a smarter and more personalized smartphone experience. Interestingly, reports suggest Google has filed patents related to removable batteries. While there is speculation that this feature could eventually appear in future Pixel devices, it remains uncertain whether the Pixel 11 Pro Fold will actually receive it this year. Despite all these improvements, the Pixel 11 series will face tough competition. Samsung's latest Galaxy flagships continue to dominate the Android market, while Apple's upcoming iPhone lineup, including its rumored foldable iPhone, could create even more pressure. Still, if Google delivers powerful AI features, excellent cameras, and competitive pricing, the Pixel 11 series could once again become one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. What are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 11 series? Which model are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.